by Cool Planet. Okay, so today we are gonna be unboxing. What's this, Kiki? It's a fridge. Wow, it's a mini fridge. So cool. Woo, the ice cream. Look at that. So many vegetables and fruits. Look, we have grapes. Look at the ice cream, see? Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, hold on. Wow. Will you show it to your friends? Wow. We should put some battery. Can we put some battery on it? Yeah. Okay. Look at the deep freezer. Okay, so the batteries goes in. So Kiki, shall we on it? Wow! Ooh, that's so cool! Look at the music and look at the lights! What are we gonna put first? Okay, let's put some water. You should put the water here. So that it becomes cool. Look at that! Wow! Look at that! Okay, what are we gonna put first? What's that? What's that, Kiki? Coca-Cola. Okay. Oh, it's so cool. Let's close it up. Let's close it up. What about the vegetables? Aren't we gonna put vegetables? That's not sushi, that's dumpling. That's dim sum, right? Wow, you're arranging your fridge? Okay, that's better than Mama's fridge.
Hello, big.
Okay. That's it. Wow! Let's close it. Okay.
Very small. Just small.
Okay, one more time. Open it. Open it.
Look cooler.
It's good? Wow! Coca-Cola? Can we drink some Coca-Cola? Okay, what do you want to put? Ice cream into your Coca-Cola? You want some? So your kids are going to enjoy these toys as much as Kiki does, as you can see. So there is a bigger collection at Cool Planet, and if you like our videos, please subscribe and like our videos. Thank you guys. So bye bye.